Ashton Hall tapes his nose and mouth at night, which is good, but there's one mistake he's making that could be seriously detrimental to his health. Sure, he's still going to get the insane benefits of really good sleep, a sharper jawline, and just way better facial structure overall. But the mistake he's making is that he didn't pick a brand of mouth tape that's made of silk, so over time this can really irritate your skin. That's why I went with this company Snore, because it's not going to cause any issues, and it also comes with 30 of these nose strips for completely free. Just make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your health in the long run. I dropped the link below.